Right everyone, WeaponCollector here. Right, got a new review for you, a new torch. So this is the Olight S1R Baton 2. So this is the new version of the previous S1R Baton. It's a compact rechargeable EDC flashlight. It's got about 5 modes, actually it's got 6 modes. Yeah, some very good features for a small torch. So here it is. I'll move that out of the way, I'll be able to focus on it better then. And it's a small compact torch, would fit perfectly onto your keys and stuff like that, or lots of other things. But it's 1000 lumens and comes with a battery. So I'll tell you what, I'll show you the battery straight away so you know what you're getting. So this comes with a Olight 3.7 volt 550 milliamp battery, so you don't have to mess around buying batteries, which is a very good thing. That's rechargeable, that battery. And there's the charging port at the back there, which is magnetic. I'll show you that now. So, some of the accessories you get is a nice pouch. I don't know what kind of material that is, but it's a nice sort of soft pouch. You get a box to store some batteries, and then this is the USB charger. And these are great chargers, these are. So what you would basically do, you'd have your charger just laying there, and that's it, straight on. Really good these are. It's absolutely brilliant way. That's it, and then that would be charging then. And because this end is magnetic, you can also put this on surfaces that are metal. So if you're working on a car, you can have this hanging down. So it's aircraft grade aluminium body. The 5 modes is you get the moon setting, so if you hold that down you get moon, which is very low, 0.5 lumens, and then so hold it down and then you get the low, which is 12, medium 60, high 600 or 300, and then a double tap, and that's the 1000 there, and then do a triple tap, gets your strobe going. You've got a Cree LED, yeah, absolutely lovely torch this is. So it's IXP8, which is waterproof to 2 meters. It's impact resistant, and the throw of the beam is 145 meters. I'll tell you what I'll do now. I'll show you some of this inside and outside, so you'll be able to see the quality of the light. Right, so you saw the quality of the light there. I'll tell you what I'll do now. I'll show you the old one. So this is the S1R Mark 1 basically. So just to show you some of the differences here. So the S2 is smaller. As for thickness, looks about the same. It's definitely shorter. The end on the Mark II looks slightly better. Got a better pocket clip. You've got a pocket clip that can clip in that way and that way. But yeah, overall the new one is slightly more compact and more powerful. It's very comfortable. As you can see, it would fit perfectly on some keys. Yeah, I really like the look of this torch, I tell you. This flashlight. Being as it's this size though, it's really good because it will fit on keys. You could also use this on a cap to have it like a headlamp. Yeah. One of the benefits I really like of this is that instant strobe. That is very good. Something you want, that is. Clear LED, so you'll never have to change the bulb. The recharging port at the end, I think that's absolutely brilliant. So Olight are doing a flash sale on this tomorrow, which would be the 28th of September. So check it out, and the price of this is around about £55. I don't know if that's the flash sale price or it's going to be lower than that, but I doubt you'll have to pay more than that. But to get a torch that size, 1000 lumen, rechargeable battery, and all those accessories and the really good charger like that, I think that's well worth that kind of money. That would easily fit on a set of keys. You could see how powerful it was. A really useful little torch this. So yeah, there it is. So there'll be a link below if you're interested. Any information I haven't mentioned will be there below as well. Yeah, that is the S1R Baton 2. Pocket clips removable. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video. See you later. Before you leave, if you ever wanted to support this channel, you can now via Patreon or by shopping at Amazon.com and Gearbest. There's more info below if you need that. Remember, if you want to get full notifications for this channel, click the bell, and I'll see you later. Cheers.